Hello, do you want a high paying tech job without spending years in college? Data science is one of the hottest career in 2025 and you can start from scratch. No degree required. In this video, I will give you a simple step-by-step roadmap to becoming a data scientist. Even if you are a complete beginner, by then you will know exactly what skills to learn, what tools to master, and how to land your first job. So if you are ready to future-proof your career, stick around. Let's dive in. How to become a data scientist in 2025, step-by-step guide. So we can see nowadays self-driving cars are there. There are many things happening based on AI and which is based on data only. Why data science is 2025? So data science is one of the highest paying career. Like in India, you will get a job between 10 to 30 LPA. Demand is growing. Companies need AI and data-driven decisions. So, lots of companies have their own data or their customer data. They need decision on that. So, data engineer is required. Data scientist is required for that. You can work into multiple domains like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and AI startups as well. So, their trend is keep growing and growing. So for that you have to take a step one, learn the basics. You need a general knowledge of or a basic understanding of maths. In maths like probability, statistics, linear algebra. Then programming, you can learn the Python, basics Python and some of the libraries you have to master like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. You need a SQL query writing for fetching data, writing queries, handling databases. So you need to master the SQL language as well. So there are many things. These are the basic one. Then data cleansing, second step, and visualization. You have to clean the data. So the data which you gather from multiple sources, like here we saw the example of SQL. In that there would be some missing values. There would be some duplicate values. You can use a library like Pandas and clean those data. Then you can visualize the data by using libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Power BI is another tool. Real world examples like cleansing messy data set for insight. You can clean the data and you can get meaningful information from that. So before cleaning your data, if you see on left side, it will be before cleaning your data, and on your right side it will be the graph which will show you the meaningful insight after cleaning the data. Then come to the step 3, machine learning and AI. In machine learning you can use the supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. There are many algorithms in supervised machine learning as well as in unsupervised one. Here I have maintained few like linear regression, decision tree for supervised machine learning, and for unsupervised it is clustering PCA. Then you can go deep into the deep learning and AI like TensorFlow, PyTorch. You can use the ChatGPT for data workflows. So this is the third step. Here I have given the little demonstration, supervised and unsupervised. There are many algorithms inside it. You can use as per your requirement. And step 4, gain hands-on experience. So you have to work into some real-life projects. Like here is some popular project: stock price prediction, sentiment analysis, image classification. There are many more. You can work into that as per your availability. You can use some platforms to get the data set like Kaizen, UCI, ML repository for using a data set for your own model training and data processing purpose. There are many resources from where you can use the data set. Once you have a hands-on, you have gone through all the basic training, you can get a certification for that. So these are certifications like Google Data Analytics, IBM Data Science, AWS ML. Okay, you can upload your project to GitHub. You can connect on LinkedIn, connect with recruiters and data science communities. It will help you to get your job. So there are multiple networks where you have to connect and get the certification and get with the recruiter and any of the references for getting your first job, or even if you want to switch a job. You can also work as a freelancer for by starting or gaining a work experience or hands-on experience. To start freelancing, or you can work into Upwork, Fiverr, Uptal, or you can also request some of your friend to refer you for any of the small startup companies. If they have great case studies for your project, for your resume, you can mention your hands-on experience, or even if you work for some of the internship, mention on your resume. It will help you to get your job. Apply for internships or entry-level jobs with real-world experiences. So you can work with any of the small firms, or where if you get for a good company, work for internships, entry level jobs, get a hands on, then you have to take some action. This is a small basic instruction which I have noted down. Comment I am in if you are serious about data science. Subscribe for more career guides. In descriptions I am providing you a link. You can ask me a question if you have any doubts, guys. Thank you.